Since the beginning of time, humans have only had 5 senses. With the advent of rapidly advancing technology, people are spending more and more of their time interacting with different technological devices to the extent that they are missing out on the world around them. People are constantly in front of machines. What if there is a way to break the technological barrier and join with the world around us? With technology. Perhaps using different surfaces in our lives as technological interfaces. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the sixth sense. Pranav Mistry, along with his technological team at MIT, worked to produce this technology. In 2009, he introduced the prototype to Technology Entertainment Design, and the audience was shocked. His goal was to free information from its confines by seamlessly integrating it with reality, and thus making the entire world your computer. He came up with the device, Sixth Sense, as a wearable gestural interface that augments the physical world around us with digital information and lets us use natural hand gestures to interact with that information.
The main 3 components are a small projector, a mirror, and a camera. This device is strung on the neck and hangs down like a necklace. The device is also connected to a small phone-like computer in the pocket of the person wearing the Sixth Sense. The projector is used like it would be in a classroom, but differs because it can be taken anywhere and therefore could be projected on walls, objects, or any surfaces that surround us in our everyday life. The camera's job is to recognize hand motions, gestures, or regular objects. The markers, which are visual tracking fiducials, which are colored tips on a person's fingers that are picked up by the camera and processed by the software program. The program translates them to specific gestures that are basically turned into instructions for the applications of the projected interface.
How is Sixth Sense technology going to impact society? The biggest change that will come along with this technology is the mobility with which we'll be free to stay connected to the internet. The first step we saw with this was smartphones and tablet technology that allowed us to get away from our computer screens. Sixth Sense picks up where this technology left off and takes mobile connections to the next level. We are essentially cutting the wires that have been holding back the integration of the internet into everyday devices. The time has come when all of your devices will be integrated into one device. No more desktop computers, no more cracked iPhone screens. Instead, the physical world will be transformed into your screen. A blank wall becomes a map that uses a pinch and zoom function just like an iPhone, a canvas for painting, a digital wristwatch, and your hand even becomes your phone. Cloud sharing technology is being fully utilized by the Sixth Sense device. This will allow anyone to take a picture and immediately upload it to an online gallery, all without ever clicking a mouse. Screens have put a barrier between you and everyone else in society. Now that barrier is removed. Social networking will be taken to a new level, and that tags and a person's information will show up on their shirt. Our world is becoming digitalized quicker than anyone could imagine. Our society has outgrown the capabilities of a simple mouse and keyboard. The future lies with Sixth Sense.
Sixth Sense can even make your newspaper multimedia enabled, allowing you to view new broadcasts on your basic newspaper. Suppose you're concerned about arriving on time for your flight. Sixth Sense recognizes your ticket and projects information about departure and flight-related information. Sixth Sense can even be applied to your bank balance, making it even easier to avoid overdrafting and keeping track of your transactions.
This technology also pulls up reviews and ratings from Amazon and projects them on the item that you are holding, empowering the consumer to make the most informed decisions possible. This technology can be used by businesses as well as consumers. Because the consumers will be more informed, businesses will have to be even more on their toes concerning the consumer's wants and needs. Another way this technology will affect businesses will be how work gets done. Because of the removal of technological barriers, employees will no longer be confined to their offices. Using the cloud technology, work can be transferred and shared across multiple interfaces. For example, you can pinch an image off a paper document and copy it to another interface and project it for different editing purposes. Sixth Sense was introduced in 2009, and its gestural recognition software has been implemented in Xbox Kinect and Wii gaming systems. How will this technology be used in the future? For more information, visit pranavmistry.com.